October 2, 2024. Weather forecast of the country. Issued at 4 o'clock this morning. Typhoon Julian affecting northern Luzon. Typhoon Julian, with international name Kraton, is located at 280 km west-northwest of extreme northern Luzon, at 21.4 degrees north and 119.2 degrees east, with maximum sustained winds of 165 km per hour and a gustiness of up to 205 km per hour, and the movement is northwestward slowly. For the places of Batanes, Cagayan, Apayao, Kalinga, Abra, Mountain Province, Ilocos Norte, Ilocos Sur, rains with gusty winds caused by Typhoon Julian, and there's a possible flash floods or landslide due to moderate to heavy with at times intense rains. Minimal to minor threat to lives and properties due to strong winds for Central Luzon and the rest of Cagayan Valley, Cordillera Administrative Region, and Ilocos Region. Cloudy skies with scattered rains and thunderstorms caused by through of Typhoon Julian, and there's a possible flash floods or landslide due to moderate to at times heavy rains. For Davao Region, Soc Sargent, and BARMM, cloudy skies with scattered rains and thunderstorms caused by easterlies, and there's a possible flash floods or landslides due to moderate to at times heavy rains. For Metro Manila and the rest of the country, partly cloudy to cloudy skies with isolated rain showers or thunderstorms caused by localized thunderstorms, and there's a possible flash floods or landslides during severe thunderstorms. Forecast of wind and coastal water condition. For northern Luzon, the speed of wind is strong and the direction is southwest to south, and the coastal water condition is rough from 2.8 to 4.0 meters. For central Luzon, the speed of wind is moderate to strong and the direction is southwest to south with moderate to rough water condition from 2.1 to 3.0 meters. For the rest of the country, the speed of wind is light to moderate and the direction is east to northeast, and the coastal water condition is light to moderate from 0.6 to 2.5 meters. For Ormoc City, a little warmer than yesterday. The temperature is 32 degrees Celsius from 10 a.m. up to 2 p.m. It will likely going down at 3 p.m. to 30 degrees Celsius. Humidity will make high and feels like 41 degrees Celsius. Ultraviolet index is low and the speed of wind is 2 km per hour. There's a possible of rain today, so grab an umbrella. Sunrise is at 5:30 a.m. this morning and it will set at 5:31 p.m. this afternoon. This weather information is from Pag-asa official website, issued at Science Garden in Diliman, Quezon City, for One Channel Daily Weather Report. This is Edsel G4R Manawataw, an intern of GFAP Construction, studied at AMA Computer Learning Center of Ormoc, saying, "Hugot bisdak. Kung ako imbaligya ang akong kaugalingon, ako jud ni presyuhan ug dako aron imo ko tawgon og mahal." Charot.